Hello, hello everyone. Wow, thank you for watching my first YouTube channel, the first episode. I'm so glad to launch it on such a meaningful day. Okay, this is my very first episode. What we're having the YouTube channel, my purpose is to answer a lot of questions that you might have. For example, some of you always asking questions like certain skin conditions of, for example, acne or sensitive skins, which is very common these days. Okay, how do we use it? What kind of products? How do we tackle it? Okay, I will be answering lots of these questions. I have your questions on the list already. Okay, so stay tuned. I'll be answering one or two questions in every episode. Very short video that we're gonna have. Okay, a small sharing short video every time. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have questions coming that you would like me to answer in the following coming episodes, please comment in this video under the comment, all right? And or you can also write in the private message to our Facebook page. Okay, we will be collecting your questions. Okay, first of all, guys, a little bit of introduction of for myself. My name is Louise. Some of you might know me already. I am the founder of Claire Organics. Why Claire? Well, I'm Louise. Okay, Louise is Claire is my daughter's name, and that was when back then. Flashback to when she was a little baby. I was hunting for all the natural baby products, high and low. That was very hard to find in the market. That was back then about 9 to 10 years ago. I was so lucky to find a teacher to learn about how to make my own first bar of breast milk soap. Yes, from my own milk. Okay. Yes, if you want to turn your own breast milk into soaps, please you can talk to us after this. All right. Oh, okay. Back to the story. That was how I make my first product for my baby. And not because that she has any skin issues, simply because I want her to have the best, and I want her to have all natural, and not having the risk of contacting with all these nasty chemicals with her little baby that is still developing in the baby body, right? Yeah, so that was my just mother instincts. Just want her to use the pure of all. Okay, that was how I finally found my passion, and she was the one who inspired me. There you go. I named the brand with her name. Okay, that was my little story. Okay, so yes, guys, coming up, Chinese New Year time. Okay, are you guys ready? I am so excited for Chinese New Year. I know some of you might not be able to get home for the reunion dinner. That was so important for us, especially Chinese in the tradition. We A reunion dinner is one of the biggest um, occasion of the year, right? That was so meaningful for us to get together, reunion with our family. Okay. Okay, never mind, guys. We can still have, maybe we can have a reunion on the line. Okay, so there's something we can make use of. Okay, whatever we can do, we make full use of it. Okay, guys. Okay, this Chinese New Year we will still celebrate. We celebrate online. Okay. What I'm gonna share today, let's make some good luck plan. 2021, have you made your resolutions? Okay. And how are you gonna make your luck this year better? We're gonna have some, besides having this good luck plan with you, of course, it helps. And also, most importantly, your own emotion. We need to learn to manage our emotion. All right. If we are carrying, imagine if we carry our positive energy everywhere we go, I guarantee you attract positive positive luck back to you. Yes, that is law of attraction. Okay, right. Okay, being an aromatherapist myself, I love playing with plants. This is something that I make myself for my, when back then during my pregnancy. Okay, I want to smell good. Everyone wants to smell good, right? And I couldn't use all these chemical based branded perfumes. I make my own. This is my own formulation for myself during pregnancy. Okay, okay, very pure, 100% natural, just by using a carrier oil, any carrier oil that you have. Okay, in this case, I'm using my favorite jojoba, and you can see the oil is in golden yellow color because this is a, we call it, this is a type of jojoba, we call it golden jojoba oil. Okay, you can see the oil, it's so beautiful. Okay, if you're not knowing any type of skin type, what kind of skin type, maybe you will say, okay, Louise, I am having dry skin, or what about acne skin or oily skin? If you are not sure, jojoba oil is for all skin type, even baby. Okay, any skin type can use jojoba. Okay, so first of all, fill up. Okay, fill up the bottle, this roll-on bottle, up until 80 to 90%. Okay, we're gonna have not maximum. If you are filling up to 80% already, maximum I recommend 10 to maximum 15 drops. Okay, okay. First of all, my blend is first oil, frankincense. Okay, my favorite frankincense. Okay, 3 drops. Okay, if you are having up to if you want to make it stronger, you can make up to 15 drops, which is you can put 3 drops each if I'm using three right now, right? Second one is bergamot. Bergamot is one of the best good luck oil that you can use. You can diffuse in office, you can diffuse in anyone that you want to attract your luck, right? You want to have better opportunity in career, right? And sweet orange, one of the um, good luck oil as well in terms of attracting positive energy. Okay, and any citrus oil in the citrus family is also best to use in your good luck blend. Okay, in Chinese we call it 招财用油，橘子类的招财用油非常的好用。Okay, any citrus oil, guys. You can have, I have citrus oil in my series: bergamot, grapefruit, sweet orange, and lemon. And some of the other brands that you can find in the markets, they also have pedigree, okay, and any other citrus that you can find, all right, okay, or tangerine or mandarin or lime. Okay, these are all citrus oil. Okay, any citrus oil that can attract um, luck. Okay, and if you diffuse in the office, that gets you harmony, atmosphere, okay, and peace, and also helps you to manage your stress and emotion better. Okay, guys. Okay, once you're finished, something like that. Okay, okay, put the cap on, your roll-on cap. By simply, how to use it? Just give it a good shake, right? Because the oil might be, the essential oil usually on top, and the carrier oil will be at the bottom. Just give it a gentle shake. Okay, how do you use it? I carry it like a perfume. Okay, because it's so easy to carry. You put in your handbag, use it everywhere that you go. If you are or constantly having meeting, just pop it in your handbag. Just apply it on your wrist, behind your ears. This is a perfect natural perfume. Okay, okay, for those who's having sensitive skin, especially on, or some of my client having asthma, you cannot simply use chemical perfume, that those that will spray, right? Use this is 100% pure, just carrier oil, just jojoba and essential oil of your any essential oil that you like. Some of you might ask, hey Louise, how about lavender, how about peppermint? Why not, right? Just by simply using this as a blend, as a base, okay, this will be the base, right? And then you drop in any essential oil that you like, okay, to create your scent, your favorite scents. And the best thing is, whatever you carry and whatever you put on for yourself is unique. There's no second bottle in the world because you made this yourself. Okay, the scent is unique with your own creation. Fun, right? Okay, I hope you enjoy my sharing today, guys. So yes, yes. If you are at home or if you have to travel, I know now it's hard to travel, but never mind. Use the sense to help you to boost your mood as well. It's uplifting and it's also very calming, not just when you want to attract luck. Very calming. Citrus oil, especially if you use it in very small dosage, like 1 to 2 drops, if you want to diffuse before you sleep, 1 to 2 drops of citrus oil is very calming and soothing. Try it, okay? Okay, guys, I hope you like my sharing today. And Chinese New Year time, I hope everybody have a good time with your family and your loved one. And wishing you a wonderful Chinese New Year and 2021, and you have abundance and prosperity in your way. And 谢谢大家，祝福大家新的一年扭转乾坤，OK，and 开开心心，万事如意，健健康康，平平安安，谢谢，拜拜。